Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about confidence because some people have confidence and with the help of that confidence they do wonders in their lives. Because if you lack the confidence, you are competent, you are eligible to do something, but you lack the confidence, then you can do nothing. But there are some people, those are not too much eligible, they are not competent, but they have the confidence to do the things, and with the help of that confidence they are doing wonderful jobs. I have seen some of my friends, they are doing good jobs. They are not too much eligible in their specific field, but they are doing because they have the confidence that they can do. So I'm getting sometimes inspiration from them. One of my friend doing welfare work, he is not eligible, he is not able to do, he is not too much competent. There are other people, those are competent, but he has the confidence, and with the help of confidence he is getting the attention of donors, and donors are supporting him. Then after seeing that person, I thought that I should do also some things. Same situation is with the English learners. When you are willing to improve yourself in English language, but you are afraid, you are competent, but you are afraid that you are not able to speak the language, you lack the confidence. Due to that problem, you are not speaking English language due to that fear. But if you have the fear, then you will speak, then you will try to do again and again, and with the help of that confidence, one day surely you are able to speak English language. But this is the problem with most of the English learners, that when they are beginners, they want to improve themselves in English language. But when they see that other people on social media, on other platforms speaking very good English language, and they think that they are not able to speak in such a way the others are speaking, then they lack the interest. They try to quit from the field. In this way they fail. But if they keep themselves busy and they increase their confidence, I think that with the help of confidence and with consistent hard work, they would become successful, but they try to quit. So if you want to learn English language, this is my suggestions for you, that you should have the confidence to do things, to speak English, no matter you are speaking the wrong English. Today you are speaking wrong English, the next day you will improve yourself, and after that you will speak good English language that is understandable. If you are non-native and you are making the mistakes, I think this is not your mistake, because you have the eligibility that you are trying to speak exotic language. Why the English persons, they are not learning our languages, we are learning their languages, we are providing them the facility to speak in their own language, they are not providing us the facility to speak in our language. So credit goes to us, those are non-native English speakers or learners. So keep in your mind that with the help of confidence you can achieve lot of goals in your life. So try to speak, try to improve on daily basis with consistent hard work. I am hopeful that one day you will speak very good English language. Right now, allow me from this video. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me And before leaving, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Lot of videos uploaded on this channel. You can check the playlist. Follow me, I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.